Hello everyone, welcome back to Power Distribution channel. Today, in this very cloudy day, we're going to install power for bushing of single phase transformer which supplying the cubicle of this very popular noodle company using the glove contact method or the lifeline method. This is a follow-up action that I will explain later. This is the material that we will use to cover the bushing of the primary windings and the surge arresters made from polymer. Before we jump into the installation process, let's take a look at this drawing that I've drawn to better illustrate that's what really happening on this particular process. As I told you earlier, this is a follow-up action. A couple days ago, a sizable bird was perching on the tip of the bushing. Because the wings was so wide, it causes short circuit because the wings touching the pole and the tip of the bushing at the same time, which causing a partial blackout on the feeders. So the follow-up action is to install a cover on the tip of the bushing of the primary windings and the surge arrestor on the transformer and the surge arrestor above the disconnector. Hopefully this cover will help protect the bushing from wildlife such as snakes, rats or birds to directly touch the live parts on the system. Back to the business, the lifeline crew are slowly approaching the bushing and the arresters. They are preparing the cover on stage. First they install the cover on the primary bushings. The other crew prepare the next cover for the surge arresters. And the second cover for the surge arrestor are being installed. There are two surge arrestors on this pole. The first is the arrestor for the single phase transformer. The second is the surge arrestor for the underground cable, the termination of the underground cable. Sometimes clipping this cover using gloves is quite challenging.
Di sini enggak sih?
And the first covering finished, and now they proceed to install the last cover on the top arresters. They put the life blanket for extra safety measure before installing the arrestor cover. As you can see, this cover has quite a bit different from the previous cover. And the installation almost finished. There you have it guys, the quick video on installing cover on the bushing of transformer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and give likes for more video in the future.